What's up, guys? My name is Jeff Slick, and I'm a real estate agent with Freedom Realty in Northeast Alabama. And in this week's video, I'm going to show real estate agents a way that they can still make money, make a good living, even though the market's down. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video if you haven't already, and let's get into it. I just went to the office real quick to check my task and see if I had anything new. Turns out I do. So I'm gonna run back over here to Bacon real quick. You'll see in this week's video, it still ain't been cleaned out, but I gotta go over there and document the property damage. The point of it is, in this type of work, it's great getting listings and all that, but there's a lot of work involved in maintaining those listings. That's what it is this week, man. So we do have some new listings, new foreclosures that are available or will be available soon. So yeah. What up? Saturday. So I got a few things to do this morning. One, I'm driving. I got two exterior BPOs that are like an hour away, but they pay $125 a piece. So I'm gonna go take pictures of both of them. I say I have two. I actually have one. Entered my fee for both of them. I did it before we went to Florida. Before we went to Panama City Beach last week. They never said anything back. After I got to Florida, they wrote me and asked me what my fee would be. And I just responded and said, I can't do it. I'm down here, I can't do it this week. I did put in my fee though. They approved my fee, $125. Right after that, they sent me another one, and they wanted to know how much my fee was going to be. Well, I've already told them. This will be the third time I told them. So I told them again, $125. I also told them I'm going down here tomorrow, right by this place. I'd really like to do it tomorrow if I can. They didn't ever respond. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my pictures. I'm going to ride by and take a couple pictures while I'm down that way. Then if they approve it, hell, I could just do it. You know what I'm saying? When I get back, I have an interior BPO, which also pays $125. So you can do the math. That's $375 that I'm going to be making today. Leesburg. Leesburg, Alabama is where I'm going, and I was going the wrong way. I had to turn around, make a U-turn. Probably gone 20 minutes the wrong way. Note to self. Enter the directions in my GPS before I start filming again. So I'm definitely out in the middle of nowhere. Extremely rural is probably an understatement. I just got the pictures for my first one, which was pretty bad shape. And the other one that I'm heading to, it's like 15 minutes away, but it's the one that they haven't approved yet. So if they do approve it, I'll be one step ahead. So I just arrived at my interior BPO. And the looks at the outside, it's not in the best of shape. Definitely needs a roof. So I'm gonna walk around outside here and take a few pictures, and then we'll go inside hopefully. Right, so I am inside the house. I'm gonna turn that off. I am inside the house. Still some crap in here. I don't really care. It's not gonna be my listing. I'm really just doing, like I said, an interior BPO. So yeah, we got my pictures throughout the house. Oh, look, a piano. As far as I know, that's it. This thing's pretty bad. So there's 4 bedrooms upstairs. Yeah. So we have 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It's a den, it's a breakfast area. Yeah, the ceiling falling in here. Anyway, it's been sitting empty for a while, you can tell. Been sitting empty, so now I'm gonna head back to the office and punch in some information on this one. I got my pictures on the other one. It's Monday morning. Feel like crap. Got up early this morning. Some Pepto-Bismol because I Anyway, I don't feel good. Still don't feel good. But things to do. So, headed to the office. They sent me an email yesterday and told me the baking was finally complete. 2 fingers crossed this time. Had to go by there and see what the deal is over there. I have a BPO to complete. I went Saturday morning to Leesburg and to Cedar Bluff. When in Cedar Bluff, they hadn't approved my fee yet. Turns out they approved it, so that's the BPO that I got to do today. But it is Thursday. Been doing some other things the last couple of days because I don't know, we all had a stomach bug. Anyways, feeling much better today. I know I have an asset inspection that I got to do on bacon today. My land deal. So the closing attorney, somebody from the closing attorney called me the other day, and they told me that there was a problem with the legal description and that they couldn't put title insurance on this and they needed a survey. Normally the survey would fall on the seller, and it does now too. However, the seller is Medicaid. I don't know. They really don't have much choice, I guess, because it's going to remain a problem until it's sold. First things first, this morning I got to drop off on my dry cleaning here at the dry cleaners. I just left the office, headed back to bacon. There's no word on it. I don't even care if it's done. I have an asset inspection I'm doing over there. After that, we have a listing appointment for a commercial property. We just got to get some paperwork signed and get some photos. Ooh, something's dead. Yeah. Something stinks though. Yeah, you see they still in the back, so. They got some water down here. I think it's leaking from there somewhere. Anyways, that's gonna pose a problem. This is a real problem. I don't know. I mean, this right here is not even really safe to walk on. There's not much there. I think the vinyl's holding it together. So yeah, it's just what it is. So I'm gonna head back to the office and I'm going to do my report that I have to do. See, I don't even walk through there. I had to walk all the way around. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to the office and do the report I have to do. Car's still here. And then go to that listing appointment. So this is the listing. Gotta come get in here, go inside. Huh? That in there? Is that there too? So yeah, this is the new listing here. Place next door is not rented out. There's a barber shop, a salon, 2 doors down, and there's some other kind of shop. I'm not sure. Like a few pictures here. I can't take too many pictures of the rest of the buildings, but that's all right. So yeah, that's it. Got a few pictures inside. Again, I can't get to those. There's some upstairs, but I can't get to the upstairs either. So I'm not gonna interrupt their business. That was locked and closed down. Anyways, we got the pictures we need, so get in the MLS. What's up, guys? It's like 6:15, still early. I just left my house. I'm going right across the highway to my dad's, so we gotta go to Glencoe, actually. He got a new listing. I don't know if it's Fannie Mae or VA, but a new listing yesterday, so we gotta go over there, make sure it's empty, try to gain access. If we can gain access, then we have to take pictures, or so he can report it back. All right, so we are first in Southside. We're getting some pictures of this house. Also, a guy's supposed to be coming over here, lives across the street. Anyways, this one will be listed. Well, I'm not really sure when. I gotta cut this tree off of here. All this has got to be cleaned up. All this stuff has to happen before the house can be listed. We don't do any of that, but we do facilitate most of that. Yeah, all that's got to be cleaned up too.
When you get through, don't forget to get that off the, not turn if we can get that one off the garage.
Off the garage, all right. So yeah, that is basically it. There's a guy supposed, like I said, he's supposed to be, I think he lives across the street over there anyway. He's supposed to be coming over here. Really all we do is come check on the property. We have to take pictures so the VA can see what's going on with the property. But we're gonna have to wait for this guy and then we're about to head over to the other one. Have a good one. I was finna talk about politics for all day.
Every one of them lamps, that's this right. How much further is it?
It's in right up there. Right there where the road starts back. I don't know why it brought us this way.
What did you know this one about getting scratched?
Well, we turn around. Right, so we did get in. There's a pool. Thought I was recording, apparently I wasn't. Pool out there. Place is pretty trashed. Junk everywhere. That'll have to be cleaned out. Pretty nice house. Oh. Well. This place is huge. Well.
On that side, or we can change this right here. This would be the easiest one to change. The door knob comes off somehow.
Get my stupid finger in there. It don't have much, it's right there. Is that it? Well, that took way longer than it should have. About 25 minutes to change the door lock. It wouldn't work on the other door, so switch to the front door. Yeah, so pool. This is a foreclosure. It'll be available soon, so if you or anyone might be interested, you can go to freedomrealty.net. This one won't be available for a while, but that's where all of our houses go first. So make sure go visit our website, freedomrealty.net. So that's gonna do it for this week's video. I actually just got back. My dad just dropped me off. We got my truck. Still got a few things to do today. Got to tune in next week to see those. We're going to Mumford. Got another big house down there that's going to be listed in the next couple weeks. We was going to have to evict the guy, but I think he's supposed to have moved everything out and was supposed to have left a key there yesterday. So hopefully he did what he's supposed to do. The house we just left, that will be a little while. It's obviously got to be cleaned up. There's a lot of things that has to happen before that'll be listed, but it shouldn't be too long. The one before that, where the fella came to, pretty sure he's going to buy that house. I don't know if he's going to or not, but he very well might. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video. It helps out more than you can know. And make sure you tune in next week. See what happens. All right, see y'all next time.